Okay, well, I know it's not Thursday. I think today's either Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure. Anyway, I got a text message from Home Depot, and my wallpaper came in. Instead of Thursday, it came in today. So I've already ripped it open, but because I had to confirm at Home Depot that what I ordered was what they sent me. So Wrangler and I are going to open it up. Wrangler, say hi. Say hi. Okay. Oh. Oh, Wrangler. Oh. Okay. Super frisco-y, super easy. Paintable. Does that mean you have to paint it? Or does that mean you can if you feel like it? Get it over here, maybe the light will be better. Yeah. It's supposed to look like beadboard. Sort of does. It's thick, almost like a foam type stuff. Oh my gosh. Well, on everything I read online when I ordered it, it said pre-pasted. Now, here, it says paste the wall. So I don't know if I have to, I don't know. I'm going to have to open this up more and see what it says. Hang on. It's not going to make me happy if I've got to order more. Hello. Okay, Wrangler. All I'm going to do is open it up and pull the paper out. Maybe. And it says, apply a generous and even layer of paste to the wall where the first length of wall covering will hang. So I'm supposed to put glue on it, which burns me up because I double checked and triple checked. Doesn't make me happy. Anyway, so yeah, the paperwork says that I have to paste it, which really burns me up. Yep, no paste on there. Doggone it. I would have swore. I'm going to go back and double check. Anyway, alright, I'll be back. So I've been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and I'm like 95% sure it was from that bottle of soap. But, yeah. I'm probably going to tear out all this stuff and redo it because it's not really, I don't know, it's not doing a good job. And then there was another place, oh, right back, I don't know if you can see it right there where that yellow wire goes in. It appears that there's a big hole there. Yeah, if I put my hand in there you can't see, but I think there's a hole there. So I'm going to go ahead and try and plug that up with some caulking or something, but this is why I'm 100% sure, or 95% sure, it was bubbles from that soap, because look what I got. Lots and lots of bubbles. So, yeah. So I'm just going to keep tearing stuff apart. I'm wondering, thinking maybe it just got hot in here, and that bottle expanded and made a mess. So that's what I'm hoping. So I'm in the process of using a bunch of paper towels to sop up all that soap that's down there. And I put the camera in there so you can watch me work, but it's too dark and there's not enough room. So I'm going to keep working and I'll be back later. Bye. Okay, hello. Phew. I finished mopping the floors on my hands and knees. And I was using the sink here to rinse my washcloth out and that kind of stuff, all in an attempt to see if there was any leaks under the sink. So I was using hot and cold water, and I'd put paper towels. I'd pretty much line the bottom of it with paper towels so I could see if there was any wet spots from drips. And there were none. Let me kind of turn you around here. So I got it pretty well cleaned up, and there's not wet spot number one, and everything seems to be drying up. So I'm pretty confident that it was that bottle of soap that had just got hot, I guess, expanded, and leaked all over. So, whew, dodged that bullet. The lady that I bought this Trail Manor from watched one of my videos, and she texted me and was telling me this spot over here where, get the light on it, where I painted, and I thought that scratch had come from opening and closing the Trail Manor, but that's not the case at all. She said that this flap right here that comes up, there was a Velcro strip here that this hooked to when you do close it. And over the years of opening and closing this and tearing the Velcro, that the Velcro had torn off of the wall. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of using the sticky Velcro, I will screw the Velcro in. So that'll take care of that. And these scrapes, I'm sure, are from opening and closing, but that's covered up with the seat covers, so I'm not going to worry about that. And here we have company. Hi. Hi, kitty. Anyway, so I wanted to quickly come back in, because I just talked to her this morning. We texted and got that information. So that makes sense that happened from the Velcro coming off, because it didn't stick. Well, it did stick. It took the paper off with it. So that takes a lot of pressure off. Now I'm not so worried about putting, because I was going to put wallpaper up here. Now I'm not so worried about it. I think it'll be okay to put wallpaper on this wall, because it's not going to tear off from opening and closing. Hello. Okay, so I'm back. Decided to tape everything off, and I'm just going to paint everything white and decide on an accent color later. I tore off all the loose stuff on the wallpaper, so that when my new wallpaper comes in, there's nothing loose. It'll all stick nice and tight. So I am going to keep taping off stuff, and I'll set you up back here so you can watch. I know, fun, huh?